The Geckota E-01 sports watch is one of the latest watches to be added to the Geckota range, effortlessly blurring the lines between a practical sporty timepiece and a versatile daily wearer. As standard, the E-01 comes fitted to an equally impressive handmade in Spain leather watch strap. Much like other models in the Geckota collection, the E-01 harnesses the dial finishing technique of fume with vertical brushing to add a range of tones to each dial respectively. The elongated slim hour markers on the E-01 help to not only bring the dial surface area down, but also add a touch of traditional watchmaking design. View the dial and all its details through our curved edge sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. This crystal choice gives the appearance of a shorter second track, tastefully respecting the piece's proportions. Combining both polished and brushed finishes, the 36.5mm case has some sharp, distinctive design characteristics, further enhancing the E-01's practical DNA. Signature Geckota hands command the attention on the dial, complete with Super Luminova Lume for enhanced legibility in any conditions. Intentionally elongated lugs result in a timepiece that occupies more area on the wrist than many other similar sized pieces. Coming in at just 11.9mm thick, the E-01 is an incredible watch on the wrist with ideal proportions. The primary feature of the E-01 is its unavoidable versatility. The E-01 takes advantage of timeless sizing, suited to a range of wrist sizes. Incorporated into the case of design, slight angular crown guards effectively protect the Geckota G signed screw-down crown, completing the 100 meters water resistance rating. The Geckota E-01 is available with an ETA 2824-2 automatic movement as standard. Alternatively, we do also offer the E-01 with a Swiss Ronda 715 quartz movement. Available in two immensely popular dial colours, black and blue. Which dial colour is your favourite? Click the pop-out banner in the top right hand corner to cast your vote now. To give you an idea of the E-01's size, here it is lined up with a few other popular watches you may be more familiar with. As with all Geckota watches, the E-01 has been created in limited numbers, ensuring exclusivity and meticulous quality control checks. Only 100 watches per version will be made available in each production run, and each watch is individually numbered, so all Geckota watches are truly limited models. Let us know your thoughts on the watch in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.